Hello and welcome to the Australian Worm Firm. Today's Thursday tip will be about how to run an unsuccessful worm farm. If you want to fail in worm farming, there are some important things you need to know, and we're going to discuss them in today's video. First of all, you need to buy a worm farm that's black. A black worm farm will be very absorbent of the warmth, and this will allow you to cook your worms very effectively. It's important with your black worm farm to make sure that the trays clip into each other, so they don't slide into each other like say a worm castle or a vermi hut might. They need to sit well above the compost, and as the compost sinks down over time, the worms are unable to circulate through the worm farm, and so they get trapped in the trays. The next step is to make sure that you don't have adequate advice for your worm farming, so make sure you place your worm farm right in the full sun so that the rays of the sun can be absorbed into the worm farm, heat it up and cook the worms. This is an ideal worm cooker and the best way to make sure you fail at worm farming. I hope that helps. Click on the link below if you want to learn more about worm farming successfully, and if you want a product that actually works, why not get a Worm Castle worm farm from the Australian Worm Firm. Thank you.